Every driver dreams of having a car that runs for decades without breaking down. You've probably seen stories of cars reaching 500,000 miles, 1,000,000 miles. And you might think, well, that's just luck. It's not. It's actually the result of specific habits and maintenance secrets that most drivers ignore. Today, I'll share 13 powerful secrets that can make your car last forever, or at least as long as you want it to, without draining your wallet. Secret number 1, warm up your car the right way. Most drivers either let their car idle for too long in the morning or drive off aggressively. Both hurt the engine. The best method? Start the engine, let it idle for about 30 seconds, and then drive gently until it reaches normal operating temperature. This circulates oil properly and reduces wear. Secret number 2, stick to the right maintenance schedule. Skipping even one oil change or service interval can shorten your car's life. Follow your manufacturer's schedule, but remember, severe driving conditions like city traffic or dusty roads mean you might need to service more often. Secret number 3, use quality fluids, not the cheapest available. Oil, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, they're all engineered to protect vital components. Using the bare minimum quality might save you $10 now but could cost you thousands later. Secret number 4, protect your car from extreme temperatures. Both heat and cold can destroy mechanical and electronic systems. If possible, park in a garage or shaded area. Even using a windshield sunshade can reduce dashboard and electronic wear over years. Secret number 5, keep your tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires make your engine work harder, wear out suspension parts faster, and reduce fuel economy. Overinflated tires reduce grip and can cause uneven wear. Check your tire pressure monthly, and don't rely solely on the dashboard sensors. Secret number 6, replace filters on time. Air filters, cabin filters, fuel filters. They're your car's lungs and kidneys. Dirty filters make the engine work harder, reducing its lifespan. Secret number 7, gentle acceleration and braking. Driving like you're in a drag race might be fun, but it puts huge stress on the drivetrain, brakes, and suspension. Smooth acceleration and deceleration dramatically reduce wear over time. Secret number 8, keep your cooling system healthy. An overheating engine can warp heads, crack blocks, and destroy gaskets in minutes. Flush and refill your coolant according to the manual, and check hoses for cracks. Secret number 9, address small problems immediately. That little oil drip, that tiny squeak, that check engine light that's been on for weeks. Small problems almost always become big, expensive problems if ignored. Deal with them early. Secret number 10, drive your car regularly. Believe it or not driving your car is just as bad as overdriving it. Fluids settle, seals dry out, and batteries lose charge. If you work from home or have a spare vehicle, take your car out at least once a week for a 20-minute drive. If you've learned even one secret here you didn't know before, think about what that means over the next 5, 10, even 20 years. That's thousands of dollars in repairs avoided, just because of a few simple habits. Now, I want to be real with you for a second. Subscribing to our channel doesn't just give you more tips to make your car live longer. It also brings me one step closer to finishing my monetization goal here on YouTube. We've already hit the 4,000 hours of watch time, but we still need more subscribers to qualify. Once we do, it'll help me cover my college fees and keep bringing you even better, more in-depth videos. So if you enjoy content that saves you money and keeps your car running forever, hit that subscribe button, and let's help each other out. Secret number 11, keep it clean inside and out. Dirt, road salt, and grime don't just make your car look bad. They trap moisture and cause rust. Regular washing, waxing, and interior cleaning protect both the aesthetics and structure of your vehicle. Secret number 12, protect the undercarriage. Rust usually starts where you can't see it, underneath the car. Especially in snowy or coastal areas, get an undercarriage wash at least a few times each winter or after beach trips. Secret number 13, respect your transmission. Whether automatic or manual, the transmission is one of the most expensive parts to replace. Don't slam it into gear while moving, don't hold it in gear at stoplights, and change the transmission fluid as recommended. Cars that last forever aren't built by chance, they're built by habits. You don't have to be a mechanic, you just have to treat your car like the precision machine it is. Do these 13 things and there's no reason your car can't outlast the next 2 you would have bought otherwise.